Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers from around the world, welcome to the Greener the Better show. The Greener the Better is not just a vlog, it's a call to action. It's an exploration of the symbiotic relationship we share with our environment and a stern warning against its misuse and abuse. We have had the privilege of witnessing the beauty of our planet in its various forms, and it is both our duty and passion to ensure that future generations can experience the same wonders. In the episodes to come, we will delve into the intricacies of environmental conservation. This is a journey of awareness and change. Join your host Stewart, and together, let's embark on this vital journey. For the greener, the better, join in on this global expedition of environmental consciousness.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Stewart, and today we will be diving deep into a critical topic: the use of drones in illegal activities and their impact on our environment. Drones, with their increasing popularity, have found their way into activities that pose a threat to both the security and biodiversity of protected areas. In this video, we will explore how drones can be misused for poaching, smuggling, spying, and even terrorism, and discuss the dire consequences for our natural world. Let's start with poaching. Drones have become tools of choice for those seeking to exploit our wildlife. Poachers are using drones to locate and track endangered species, making it easier for them to carry out their illegal activities. This threatens the very existence of these vulnerable creatures, undermining years of conservation efforts. Moving on to smuggling. Drones are increasingly used for smuggling contraband such as drugs and exotic animals across borders. Their ability to fly discreetly and avoid detection has made them ideal accomplices for criminal organizations. This not only undermines law enforcement efforts, but also contributes to the illegal wildlife trade and drug trafficking, further destabilizing regions. Drones are also being employed for invasive surveillance. Individuals with malicious intent can use them to spy on private property, compromising the privacy and security of individuals and businesses. This invasion of privacy raises serious ethical concerns and has the potential for abuse. Lastly, the most concerning use of drones is in the realm of terrorism. Extremist groups are using drones to carry out reconnaissance, gather intelligence, and even execute attacks. The ability to bypass traditional security measures makes drones a significant security risk. The consequences of these illegal activities involving drones are multifaceted. Not only do they threaten our wildlife, disrupt economies, and compromise personal privacy, but they also erode the security of protected areas and challenge our law enforcement agencies. Our precious ecosystems are paying a heavy price. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are steps you can take to mitigate these risks. Strengthening drone regulations, enhancing drone detection technology, and increasing public awareness are key steps in addressing this issue. Furthermore, responsible drone use can be encouraged through education and certification programs. In conclusion, the use of drones for illegal activities is a growing threat to both our environment and security. We must work collectively to ensure that the potential of this technology is harnessed for positive purposes while preventing its misuse. I urge you all to support efforts to regulate drones and raise awareness about the consequences of their misuse. Let's protect our planet and its inhabitants for generations to come. Thank you for joining me today on this important discussion. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread awareness about the impact of drones on our environment and work together to find solutions. Until next time, this is Stewart signing off. Stay informed, stay engaged, and stay green.
As we draw the curtains on today's episode of The Greener the Better, it's been a privilege to have your attention as we delved into the crucial topic of environmental conservation. Remember, change starts with awareness, and if you found today's discussion enlightening, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your engagement spreads the message further and wider, inspiring more individuals to take action. In closing, let's carry the spirit of today's discussion with us. Let's be mindful of our actions and their impact on the environment, striving for a world where the greener truly is the better. Together, we can make a difference, one step at a time. Thank you once again for joining your host Stewart on the Greener the Better show. Until next time, let's keep working towards a more sustainable and harmonious world. Goodbye for now, and take care.